So I'm over here at my buddy's house and working on his new gambler car. I mentioned it the other night on live. It's a 81 Chrysler Cordoba with a 318, all that good jazz. But there's certain reasons why we pick certain cars for gambler cars, and I'm going to show you a good reason why. This is kind of beautiful. 318, no brakes. That's why that's off of it. It leaks water more than, yeah, that's a mixture of brake fluid. We blew brake lines out. But, you know, there's just certain criteria. This thing runs like a sewing machine though. But, look down here at the brake pedal. It's got this mechanism. Yeah, that is a bungee cord. Ladies and gentlemen, that's as legitimate as it gets for a gambler car. I mean, it's even got inside lights. I mean, it's just beautiful. Then you come to the back where it's nice, clean. He's taking the brake booster out. He thought it'd be an easy job. Top's in great shape. Back seat's pristine. It's got the special key here for the trunk. You know, it's got all the extra amenities, oil, spare tire that probably don't fit. Oh, sorry. Let's put that back in there. So yeah, that's supposed to be there, but it's gone. You know, just keep the water out. All these big holes. I mean, and you know, needs a ball joint or two. We thought the Buick tie rods were bad. You hadn't seen nothing. It's just all bad under there. That's the criteria for a gambler car. POS that we make to become a beauty.